Recently, I'm getting this error onto my PlayStation. Error says you need PlayStation Plus to access this feature. By the way, I already have PlayStation Plus access, so this error is kind of weird. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this error in a very easy steps. And it doesn't matter whether you got PS4 or PS5. We are going to solve this issue for both of the consoles. So without further ado, let's get started. So the primary reason why this error occurs, your PlayStation can't able to detect your licenses. So even if you got PlayStation Plus access, your PlayStation simply can't able to detect it. But there is a very easy fix for that. So first step first, make sure your PlayStation is connected to the internet. Once you make sure your PlayStation's got active internet connection, next thing you can go to your settings and right over here you can select the account management. Then going into that, here you need to select restore licenses. Now once you select this option, you'll get a prompt and once again you can click on this restore button. Now this process may take a couple of minutes, so let it do its job, and once the process is finished successfully, you'll get this prompt, licenses restored. Normally, after doing these steps, your error should be fixed. But if you are still getting the same error, well, in that case, you can select this activate as your primary PS4. And over here, you can select the activate. Now, if your PlayStation is already activated as your primary PS4, then you can simply deactivate it first of all. Once your PS4 is deactivated, then again you can simply select the activate as your primary PS4. And this time loading up any of the game, you can see all my games are loading up perfectly fine without this PlayStation Plus error. I sincerely hope your error is gone as well. Do let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe to our channel. We are really close to 100k subs, so make sure to hit that goal guys. And this is Kedar from How To Guys signing out.